So good morning everyone, I'm student of St. Xavier's World School and our team's name is Digital Dreamers. Actually, we have participated in Viksit Bharat Buildathon and my team have taken out a very innovative idea which can be used in daily life. So today I'm here to represent our idea through a presentation. First of all, the idea that we have taken out is about aquacharge. Actually, in this idea, the water flow is getting changed into electricity through the piezoelectric discs. The mechanism behind this, we will talk about it later. So, first of all, I will talk about the energy challenges and opportunities that those were faced by us. These are the major challenges faced by us. First is growing energy demand. As we know, there is a wide population in India and water is too precious. So we thought that we should reuse water also. And the second point is untapped water power. Like we are watching, the water is being flowed by taps and the gallons of water, like the millions of liters of water is used in whole year in India. So we thought if millions of voltage electricity will be produced with those millions of liters water flow, what will be bad? So we have taken this major dimension also that we have to change this. Then conversion challenge. Another, what is piezoelectricity? Actually, I have told to many of my friends that this is my idea. So they asked about what is piezoelectricity. So piezoelectricity is a remarkable physical phenomena which changes mechanical energy into electrical energy. As when the pressure is exerted on these discs, they change into electrical energy. So the invention of this was happened in 1880. So some common piezoelectric applications are energy harvesting innovations and medical ultrasound devices. As you have seen, there are many CT scan centers. The piezoelectricity is used in those machines also. Then the aquacharge technology, how it works. First of all, the water pressure pulsation. We will open the tap, the water will go through a certain pressure. Those pressure will be mechanical to electrical conversion. As when the pressure will get exerted on the piezoelectric disc, they will change into electrical energy. Third, energy amplification and output. There will be a voltage regulator which will be storing voltage there, which can be used after some time as the form of output. We can charge our mobiles or use it in our daily life, the voltage made by it. Then the advantages of aquacharge. First of all, rapid response and efficiency. There will be true efficiency in our home, that the water is getting reused. Then the zero external input required. No input, like 1 volt of electricity is not even getting used in this whole process, even till that the many voltage are getting made by this project. Then minimal maintenance. We do not need so many things. Like the flow of water is usual in our homes. Like we are washing utensils, we are bathing. So it only requires maximum batteries or voltage regulators, nothing much. Then highly scalable design. We can make there is a box at the surface where the water flow is there. Under the surface we can make a box and put the whole mechanism there and just apply the piezoelectric discs plate where they are placed on the surface where the water is being flowed. It is not dangerous that the water is getting on them. They are water friendly also. Then environmental benefits, the clean energy generation, the ecosystem preservation, the carbon footprint reduction, and the sustainable resources used. As you have seen, there are many people giving speeches, the water is too important. This is the true thing. To save this precious thing and to reuse this, we have taken out this innovative idea. Then real world applications. First of all, environmental monitoring. We can put the water quality sensors, there is the flow of water, and under this mechanism we can also apply the water checking outputs, that the water's quality is good or bad. If we have to change or clean our storage tanker of water, they may be also indicating it. Then the remote infrastructure, the wastewater systems. As we have seen, there are many cities those are using many gallons of water every day. The water flow is just done and the water is going to sewage. No reuse of water is there. So this is best for those cities, as the electricity will be also produced and the water, the most precious resource, will be also reused.